Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in today's short little video, I'm going to show you how to make and sell 3D printable animal mask. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I made this one sheet printable and how your customers can take this along with the instructions and create a 3D printable panda mask. Okay, so this is a really good market to get into. It's an amazing niche within the printable market. And I'm going to talk to you about it. I'm going to reveal some keywords. I'm going to show you how I make my printable mask, and I'm going to show you an alternative way to make printable animal mask if you want. So stay tuned. Watch this video in its entirety. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. With that out of the way, let's begin. Okay, first thing I want to do is identify a string of keywords that I can use to put my product under, right? So people can actually find me online, right? Now, it's really important that you start any endeavor online this way, okay? If you're gonna sell POD mugs, you do affiliate marketing, you're gonna sell printable games, activities, whatever you do, you wanna go by what people are already searching for, okay? I'm using Crispy Prints for this example. If you want, you can use Google Trends. Crispy Prints pulls data out of the world's biggest buyer's market, where Google Trends pulls information out of Google. Google, is everything and anything, right? So I want to, again, look for keywords that have to do with what people plan to buy eventually. Okay, so that's why I'm using the niche interest level within Crispy Prints. Okay, now the type of product I want to put out or show you in this video are called low poly mask. Okay, now low polygon mask. Now I don't recommend you put in poly mask because people might be looking for polyester mask, right? Plastic fabric mask, and that's gonna screw up the results. So as you can see here, we got low poly mask and we have polyester mask for that thing that's going around right now. Low poly, on the other hand, is again low polygon mask. Polygon, the shape. Okay, so if I copy this and I put this in here, I can see right now that, there is, a very small amount of search for low poly mask. But again, people in this market really don't know how to go about finding what they want when it comes to the verbiage. Okay, so I can put in, for example, cardboard mask, and voila, now we got a lot more keyword diversity, right? If I let's put in 3D paper mask, again, we got more keyword diversity. Do you understand? So we want to match our product to these types of, keywords, right? Now, the interesting thing about this market is that there is, before Crispy Prints, there was a high barrier to entry, right? You needed some design skills or hire someone who knows how to design these types of masks. You could go to Upwork, okay? And these types of masks are called a pepakura, by the way. It comes from a Japanese tradition of paper crafts, right? You can go to Upwork, put pepakura mask, and this person is charging $80 an hour, $60 an hour, $60 an hour. It's really expensive. If I go to Fiverr and I put in paper mask, I got this person charging $40 for creating one type of mask. No more result. I have another person here charging the same amount, $40, and that's about. Oh, we have another person here. This person will design a mask for $5. Okay, maybe this person's a good deal. Okay, so you might want to check out this person. Actually, let's open this up and see what we find. This person will create a poly mask for $5. This person, you can source this person. This person lives and works out of Mexico. Again, this person will create a mask for you for $5. So you might want to do it this way if you don't have Crispy Prints, okay? So we have Crispy Prints in this example. So we're going to click on this button here. We're going to go to the 3D mask prints. And so far, at the time of making this video, I got 4 different types of masks, okay? Now, I got the panda mask, the dog mask, the bird mask, and the cat mask. The panda mask is the mask you saw in the beginning of this video with me and my face and all. Okay, so what this does with Crispy Prints is you can actually overlay your design to the white sections of the mask. So let me explain. So a panda is usually white and black, right? The two colors that come, when you think of a panda. Instead of the white, you can add your own pattern, okay? So in this example, I'm gonna be using this pattern I found off of Pixabay. Now, let me blow that up for you, right? It's a very minimalist, simple. I don't want it to go too much against the grain. I don't want it to go against the black of the panda, right? So, again, I got this off of Pixabay. Let me show you Pixabay real quick. If this is the first time watching, hey, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. If this is your first time watching, I use Pixabay a lot, not all the time, but a lot, to get public domain images and stuff. Always make sure that you have the usage rights. So let's put in patterns. Okay, if you're looking for a light pattern, let's put in light pattern. Wait, is it L-I-T-E or L-I-G-H-T as in, okay. Let's put in illustrations, excuse me. Okay, now we got these light patterns we can use, right? Now if I click on, for example, this one here, we see the usage rights, very clear as day, Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Really cool stuff, okay? And I got this particular pattern off of Pixabay, okay? So I'm gonna make sure that when I add it to Crispy Prints, it's at the 1063 by 1375 pix dimension, okay? So let me do that now. I'm gonna add that now. Slide it on over and dump it in here, okay? Once I do that, I'm gonna select the type of mask I want, okay? So the dog is brown, the bird is blue, and the cat is orange. I'm gonna write that in here. But right now I wanna do the panda, click create bundle, okay? And it's gonna do its thing. Okay, so once Crispy Prints does its thing, I have this result here. As you can see, it has the black parts and it has my pattern that I got off of Pixabay. And now my end user, my customer, I'm also going to supply, here are the instructions, right? The instructions for each of the animals. I'm going to supply my customer with this pattern here that they have to cut out, overlay on some really light cardboard, and cut out and put together using the instructions I have within Crispy Prints, okay? So that's what I sell. And as you can see here, if I go to Crispy Prints, not Crispy Prints, excuse me, Etsy, you get a rough estimate of what you should be charging. So it says here 655 yen. That's about $6 or $5.99. Okay, that's what you're looking for. Okay, 751 yen. Again, that's about $6 something. Okay, dollars. So that's what you might want to charge for these types of masks. And that is the market in a nutshell. Again, a lot of keyword diversity like I showed you. I recommend you sell this off of your own site so you can charge more. Again, I go through that within Crispy Prints in the training here. But that is all you need to do, right? Again, you don't need Crispy Prints to do this. You can do this on your own. I just gave you a ton of keywords. You can use Google Trends to play around with that. Let's do that now. Low poly mask. Low poly mask. Okay, now Google Trends doesn't give you the search volume. It just gives you an interest level, okay? Okay, I got it. So this is Japan. I want to do worldwide, right? Because okay, now we have a better understanding, right? So there isn't much in the way of low poly mask. What if I put in cardboard mask? Now we have a much healthier representation. Okay, United Kingdom, South Africa, Philippines, people are looking for these types of low cardboard masks. It says predator, so people are looking for lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my! And there you go. Okay, so you don't have to get Crispy Prints. I recommend that you can do it on your own using Google Trends and hiring someone off of Upwork. And I found this really cheap, or I should say affordable. That's not a good word, cheap. I found this affordable vendor here on Fiverr, and she comes with a lot of good ratings. So why not do it that way if you want? And let me know what you think. Comment down below. I'd like to hear your opinions and thoughts. And yeah, be good, like and subscribe, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.